So hey guys, today we'll be going through a quick moisturizing and detangling routine after a week long of styling. My intention after adding all of this was actually to wash my hair, but I ended up not washing my hair and keeping this for like 2 weeks. And I'll do a video updating you guys on what happened after that. So let's get right into the video. So here you can see me doing a quick twist after detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb to ensure that I got all the tangles and everything. You see me going back in to ensure that I actually even out strands while going down. And just in case you're wondering, you'll see further up in the video that I'm actually applying coconut oil and aloe vera to the ends to seal it, and that's basically what I'm doing. So you can just watch me while I finish detangling and just moisturizing. When detangling my hair, I always use my fingers. So I typically go in with my fingers first and I remove any tangles, any knots that may be in my hair. And I find that it's easier to manipulate and manage. Sometimes the comb gets a bit tedious for me and it's more strenuous on my hands. So I go in with my fingers and I comb through and I find out any knots. Find any knots. And yeah, that's just basically what I'll be doing for the next couple of sections in this video. Here you can see me adding the aloe vera and coconut oil mix that I have evenly throughout my hair, ensuring that each strand is coated. And I also am detangling while I go through, and I recognized that I had some dry scalp, so I went in with the coconut oil and aloe vera for moisturizing and also to help with any bacteria or anything that's on my scalp. The coconut oil is really good for that. And I just continue to detangle my hair. And oh my god guys, as you can see, my alfalfa, that's what I call it, there's such a story behind that. My mom cut out my hair middle, and yeah, so that's also another thing that's on the agenda, helping to grow back and get back to that length of hair that's missing from there. So now I'm actually going in with the wide tooth comb. Just work my way down through the length of the hair, ensuring that I'm not pulling on anything too much to tear up my hair. And also, guys, it's important that when you're detangling your hair, you detangle it with some moisturizing component. So whether it be water, aloe vera, something that helps to basically smooth out your hair so you don't break away or tear out any of your hair. So then I'm just combing through, and then that's basically it. adding the coconut and aloe vera mixture into my hair, my scalp, you know, to finalize anything that's, you know, any areas that hadn't gotten any of the solution. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something and that, you know, we can continue to connect. Bye.